Hello children, today we are going to do the geography chapter number 1 of class 7th. The very short answer questions, short answer question and long question answers. All these three you have to do in your copy. Okay, the answers I am going to give. Okay, you have to write the questions from your textbook and the answers from the notebook. Here, very short answer question. Answer number 1. Biotic components. Biotic components are living organisms in an ecosystem. Example, plants and animals. Abiotic components. Abiotic components are non-living organisms in the environment. Answer number 2. Plants take energy from sunlight in order to prepare their food. The process of preparing own food with the help of air, water and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Answer number 3. Our earth consists of various physical features that make it a beautiful place to live in. These are called landforms. Examples, mountains, plateaus, plains, river basins, sea and coastal plains are Iceland. Coming to the next, answer number 4. The top steep portion of mountains is known as peak. Short answer question, answer number 1. Terrace farming is practiced on the mountains in which land is cut into steps or terraces to grow crops. Answer 2. Low plateaus make up good farming regions, whereas high plateaus are usually grasslands that are considered great for grazing livestock like sheep, goat and cattle. Answer 3. The sea is an essential aspect of human trade, travel, mineral extraction and power generation. Answer number 4. Earth has all the favorable conditions that support life on it because water is abundant on the earth's surface. It is strongly supposed that the earth's distance from the sun, its physical properties are and geological history might have allowed life to evolve and thrive there. Long answer question. Any change caused by nature or human disturbance lead to disruption of the natural balance of an ecosystem. Several factors can lead to ecological imbalance like increasing population, deforestation, misuse of natural resources, etc. There are various other human activities that contribute to the disruption of ecological balance. So children, you have to complete the short answer questions, very short answer question and long answer questions in your notebook. The answers I have given you in the notebook. So you have to just write the answers and complete your work on time. Thank you.